my gosh, I am so excited today. You guys, this hair is cute and I'm excited today because this makeup look, you guys, I don't know. I just felt like doing something cute today, you know, something different. Gotta be creative. You gotta be creative. You gotta try new things. In this video, you guys, we're gonna be talking about this beautiful hair, 30-inch hair for BBL store. I'll leave it in the description below. You go check it out. It is pretty good. Like, it is sleek. Look at that. This is sleeky. I really love it. It didn't take me that much time to like straighten out the hair because it was already sleek, like I said. And then the lace was really transparent. I loved how he had like a lot of baby hairs because I have a low front edge line and I tend to I'm picky when it comes to wig. Any wig that don't have baby hairs at the front, sis, I don't know, it's gonna be hard for me to work because my hair is like, oh look, you can see it's right there. That's where my hair stops. You see that? But like I say, this wig I'm gonna be taking it very soon because I have other things to do and it's not gonna be on my head for a very long time. I'm gonna be taking it very soon, so it doesn't matter if I did it nice or not, because I mean but another thing is that I'm gonna show you guys how to apply your lashes. If you find it hard to apply your lashes and it's always coming up, like it's always messing your eyeshadow and all that, stay tuned. This is the right place for you. You're gonna learn it and you're gonna do it yourself. And also how to bake your face. Somebody requested for that. Thank you so much. I'm also going to show you how to bake your face here in this video, how to put on your eyeliner, how to put your pencil, how to do your eyebrows. I mean, how to do your eyebrows and all that. Everything is going to be here. Everything is going to be here. And it's cute. We're nice. We're doing good, girl. Girl, this hair is cute. Look, wait, let me show you guys. Look how long this hair is. Look how, I don't know if you can see it. You see that? It's freaking long. Freaking long, guys. I am really loving it. Go get yours. It is pretty affordable. Let's see, you guys. And you know, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Find this interesting, you know. Watch, be happy, and take care. Stay safe. I will see you on my next video. Yeah, bye. Inside this bag, and it came with the cute lashes. It's really cute. And then this is how it looks like. A 30-inch lace frontal, as you can see. It's also like a transparent HD lace too. That's one thing I love about lace wig. If this is transparent, that's it. It's gonna blend, because look, it's gonna really blend in. I'm not going to be using this, so I already laid my baby hairs with this already, and then I'll be going in with my Wonderlace bronze spray. This is really good. It does the work. This one I think is more stronger than Got to Be Blue. I'm going to be using this one because I'm going to be taking off my wigs in less than 2 days. Your adhesive glue and your Got to Be Blue with your spray if you're looking for like a strong hold. Yeah. I like to do my baby hairs, but I don't want it to like fluffy. I want it more natural. So now I'm gonna be using my foundation. You can use whatever foundation you have or concealer to trace your shade, yeah, so you can look more natural. So let's get started with our eyebrows. After I did put on my primer, but now we're gonna do the eyebrows. We're gonna do the eyebrows for those of you who requested for it and also interested. Today's not gonna be like the usual eyebrow I make, because I'm gonna be going in for like a bleach eyebrow today, but I will do it on one side and I will do on the other side with this my pomade. I'll use this pomade, or you can use a pencil. On the left eye I will do the brown, and on this one I'll do the bleach. So yeah, if you have an oily skin or you feel like your brows get greasy a lot, before you put on your whatever pencil or pomade you're going in, or your concealer or your brows, go with your powder. This is the Sasha Buttercup translucent powder, no color, and this will help to set up that face, that brow. This in for 10 minutes. You can leave it for 2 minutes, but yeah, it's just like baking. So I'm wiping it off after I let it sit. I'll be using my, what's it called, Beauty Creation concealer. Now I'm going to be doing the other one, this one right here. So just the same way, you're gonna fix it. We're done with this. You want to conceal it. Your concealer does the magic. You can use your concealer to adjust it if you draw it too big. And another thing is right here, when you come in, do not use a darker shade. Use this one first. This is the one I used, and now we're gonna be going in with the dark one. This dark one. That one will make it look bold, like really bold. You'll love it. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? It's really easy and simple. It's cute. Brush it up. I'm honestly liking this one. I feel like I should just do this one on the other one. I'm gonna clean this one, do it off camera, and then I'll come back. So now I'm doing my brows. It was cute. I love it. I'm gonna be doing my face now, and I'll be using my Juvia's this too, my concealer and contour. They're not too bright, but it will work. Something so fast happened because really just so right now we're gonna bake. You can use whatever setting powder you have, but make sure you're not using something too light or too dark. Depending on what concealer you put on underneath your eyes. If you put a dark concealer, then you go for something light. If you put a dark concealer, then you go for like a medium, what's it called, setting powder. You can see this is a medium setting powder. This is how it looks like, and this is the light setting powder. But now I'm gonna set my face, and then I'll use my black radiance to also set the contour. If you don't have your black radiance, if you don't have your dark setting powder, you can go in with your pressed powder. Yeah, your pressed powder, just like your regular powder you put in your face, but make sure it's a dark, because that's where the contour is. You can bake your face with a beauty blender or a brush, but make sure you tap on it lightly. For my contour, I'm going to be using my black radiance, medium dark. These palettes have like light medium, dark to medium to dark, and dark to medium. So you gotta pick the shade you want. But I have all three of them, and it's good. I love black radiance palettes. Just a little bit, because it's already dark. You know what, let me use the light to medium. Yeah. All right, I'm back. So this is it right here, and then let's use this light one. Looking good. Look at that. I'm glad I did take the light one. You see what I mean by shades and colors? Imagine if I had the dark contour, because I already used a dark setting powder on my contour, you know. Now using a dark one is gonna make it look really dark, and that's not what you want. Sculpting, this is where you should sculpt your face when you're doing it, and then this one is the highlight. Alright, you all, so now I'm going to be going in with my finishing powder on my face. This is the powder. I found this one. Where have you put it? I'm going to be using that one because my under eye, it's not that bright, like precisely where I want it to be, so I use that. There are different kinds of finishing powder out there too. Finishing powder, setting powder, pressed powder, they're all different. And then this one is my medium. Yeah, this is my own shade too, for finishing powder. Whew. All right, I am almost done with it. I don't want to go in with my bronzer. I'm not going out, so no bronzer today. But next, I'm gonna blush this beautiful face. I'm gonna blush this beautiful face. Then we highlight. Ooh. Oh, I love the orange. I love how it looks like. This is the shade I'm using. Black Radiance have a lot of collection of bronzer of blush. Sorry, I am putting blush, not bronzer. If I say bronzer, I don't know. I'm putting blush. I'm not putting bronzer. Black Radiance have a lot of different kinds of blushes, and they're cute. She's looking cute. She's looking cute. Okay, so this is it. This is the holographic. This right here. I love this. I love how this is. It's beautiful. Let me show you one. This one. If you can like see. And this one too. Show you. If you mix them both, they look nice. Let's see, we mix them together. See that? They look really, really nice when you mix them together. They look nice, so. So you guys, I'm done with the paint. We're gonna be moving into eyeshadow. Today is gonna be the Smokey eyeshadow we're gonna be doing, and I'll be using my Morphe palette. This is the color. This one and this one, and then the black. I'll be going in with my black base, my primer from Beauty Creations. I'm going in with that soft matte shade for my transition. It's coming out cute. So I did went in with my I left the Morphe powder because it's not giving me that blackish, you know. I want it black. This Supreme is wonderful. This one right here, that black is really good. Look at that and look at the difference. I just barely put it on and you can tell the difference. Like, this is way off. This one is much better. Yeah, I'm glad I have this palette. I'm going in with a little black with my brush. Stop talking. You don't want to go forward anymore because you don't want to ruin your transition up there. So just right there where you put your crease and put the eyeshadow on. And I'm using the light shade at the top of my transition. So now I'll be using my glitter and my lashes glue. I'm going to be putting my rhinestones, these tiny ones underneath my eye. Wait, before I do that, let me put on my mascara. Alright, I'm done. I'm basically done with everything, but time for the lashes. What I do is really easy. If you find it difficult for you to put your lashes on, stay tuned because now is the time to learn, okay? What I do is whatever lashes glue you have or anything, any kind of lashes glue you have a applicator brush that's like thin, or if it doesn't have like an applicator brush, and you can get your own applicator brush and then use the glue just go underneath where you want it to be. That way you don't get messy. If you take it off, it still stays the same, like where you left the glue. Because imagine if you put your lashes, if you put the glue on your lashes, if you put the glue on your lashes and then you didn't put it right, then you have to take it out. You're gonna mess everything up, sis. But this one I do, no, you don't have to. It doesn't. Even if it does mess it up, it's not going to be as much as just, you know, putting out that lashes, and you will see all the eyeshadow on that lashes just coming off while you're pulling it off. So hold it this way and put it right in the middle where you want it. And then drag it forward. We're done. See that? Really is really easy and simple. So I took my lashes out because it was too big. And remember when I told you that when you take it off, you don't mess it up? Look at that. Forget about this. I just had allergy like when scratching. But look, you don't mess it. I took it out. And I'm gonna put another one up.